the reason I was able to have such a good conversation with you yesterday, I could still talk to you on the phone, pay attention to our conversation while the artificial intelligence draft replies, and then I could just simply say, yes, I want to reply. The most important things that you need to do is start looking for clients on LinkedIn. On the side of LinkedIn, I'm going to open up something called an extension.
Okay.
You may have not heard of this before, but Google has the ability to add software to the side of your browser called the Google Chrome extension.
I am familiar with that.
And the Google Chrome extension allows me to be able to simply do things as it relates to this profile. Save this profile into evyAI. I can save it, and then I can write the list. You know, let's say if we had a conversation, I could say conversation and put you into conversation list. We met an owl, so I have owl over here. You see that?
Let me see.
It's a little small. It's a little small. It says owl. If I want to research you online, I can click on this perplexity thing here or any of these AI research tools, and it's going to start telling me everything about you. So the reason I was able to have such a good conversation with you yesterday when we spoke is because I was able to pull all this information. I had all this stuff front and center. The artificial intelligence was able to kind of tell me everything I need to do in order to kind of have a conversation with you in a meaningful way. Summarize all your information directly from LinkedIn. It'll open up your LinkedIn. If your birthday was here, it would grab your birthday, your email, all your websites. It would take everything from here and then kind of save it into the side here so that I have access to it from my phone and anywhere else, all organized. Loads up every post you've ever written. And if I wanted to comment on these posts, then I can use a keyboard shortcut to write the comment, and in seconds I have a thoughtful comment related to your post. And I could also choose any form of AI. So if I want to use Claude, Gemini, Grok, ChatGPT, whatever, I could use it here. And it uses, you don't even have to have an account with any of these companies. It just does it. And if I want to speak into the technology, I could use a microphone and say, it was really great talking to you, Allison. I appreciate our conversation, and I'm looking forward to working with you. And if I want, I can send this to you as a message. So I open up the little message box, and I press the insert, and that thing that I just spoke goes into as a message. And now I just sent you a message that I spoke. I didn't have to type any of it. Wow. So this saves you a lot of time. And we do a lot more, which is, we have a massive community with over 1,200 people that are active on LinkedIn. We all support each other, help each other, connect with each other. And our goal, and that's kind of like the idea. The idea is just getting to know people, building relationships, and you see this person wants to join the community. I make sure she's using LinkedIn. She's paying for it. I see that she's active. She posted something just 2 days ago. So I'm going to go ahead and welcome her into the community because she wants to be active on LinkedIn. And so that's the idea. We're always doing stuff and exciting and so on and so forth. The price of the tool is very affordable. It's just, $2,400 a year. But right now we have a special called the bundle. So if you get the bundle where we bundle in $10,000 worth of LinkedIn training, because it seems like you might benefit from LinkedIn training. So we have a LinkedIn training program, which is typically $10,000 plus our $2,400 software. We're giving it all away for less than $1,000 a year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we have a special going on right now, and I can send you the link. If this is something that you want to claim this deal, you can. You get unlimited AI agents, both for people that you're connected to and people that you're not connected to. It'll also write up all your content for you, so you don't have to write any content anymore in your voice. It'll help you with comments, with messages, and we'll also download all your connections and put them into a dashboard. And the beauty is with this, anyone that you refer to us, you get 20% for 3 years. So so if they pay $2,400 a year, you'll make your money back by just referring 2 people. And you'll make it every year. So that's if you're using it yourself and you're getting benefit, everyone on the 1.2 billion people on LinkedIn are all prospective referral partners for you.
Right.
So that's what I'm doing. If you want to see some of our customers and who they are, I tagged a bunch of them here. 8 hours ago, I tagged a bunch of these people over here, and I made a little video here.
How do I sign up to the evyAI community, and where can I see the events? evyAI hosts one of the most popular LinkedIn communities in the world called AI for LinkedIn Community.
Okay, and I put up this little video here, and then as you can see, a lot of our clients started commenting on it. because we have a real community of real people that kind of support each other, and they actually want to comment, and they want to help each other out, and they want to connect. And you can see what people are saying. It's nothing but a pleasure to be part of the community. The AI will just write it for me.
Nice.
So it used to be that I would have to write a whole reply. Now I don't have to do that anymore. I could still talk to you on the phone, pay attention to our conversation while the artificial intelligence draft replies, and then I could just simply say, yes, I want to reply, or no, this doesn't make sense, and I can change the goal, the tone, and the persona. Want to make networking easier and more effective? Try evyAI, your AI-powered sidekick that helps you connect, engage, and grow your network faster than ever. Click the link and start building smarter relationships today.